nice and low, stay at that one level. See how you guys are starting there? You want to finish the same way. Let's go. Chest up there, Matt. Chest up. Make sure you explode across your waistline now. Bring that knee up, Salt. Ah, boy. Let's not land on our heels. Let's not land on our heels. Good job. You started here and then you went straight. Glide through that. Oh, got it, got it. Right here. Solid. Opposite arm, opposite leg. More range. Go, shot. Here we go.